I-5 test drive on a Hyundai today. Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. We've had some showers and storms in the area today, and even a picture from up here near Champaign, Illinois. Wesley Kibler sent this in, and you can see it's a funnel cloud. The atmosphere is pretty primed today to see some of these funnels. It didn't touch down, but you can definitely see the funnel cloud there as some thunderstorms rolled through Champaign County earlier. We've got some more storms on the radar. We'll look at those here in just a little bit. 91 the daytime high today, 100 the record, 76 early this morning. Very muggy as we started the day. Just some sprinkles at the TV station so far. No measurable rain, but we anticipate that will be changing with time. The river stage at 7.7 feet in Terre Haute. It's going down, but we think that's going to start to go back up because there's quite a bit of rain in the forecast. At the airport in Terre Haute, 90. Relative humidity high, 55%. Feels like 97. It's still hot, but not quite as hot as it was. We had been having that heat index over 100. We're in the mid to upper 90s across the area. These are the current temperatures up to the north where there's been some clouds and rain. It's cooler. Down to the south, no clouds, or not as many clouds, and no rain. Temperatures are in the lower 90s in those areas. The heat index, again, the last 3 days, this has been above 100 for most of you. It's down just a little bit today. 99 Robinson, also down towards the Vincennes area. 94 over in Mattoon. So it's still hot, but not quite as hot. Water vapor satellite, you can see moisture off to the west of this area and an area of low pressure spinning here. That's going to be very slow to move. Eventually, that low pressure will come over this area along about late Thursday, Friday, and that will increase our rain chances later this week as far as more widespread rain. Also, tropical moisture in Texas. You can see a little bit of that moisture streaming north. So we're getting all kinds of moisture in the atmosphere. That's why it feels so uncomfortable. And now we're starting to wring out some of that moisture in the form of showers and storms. You can see a line west of here, and you can see a few that developed across the area today. Much of the area looking pretty good, okay, at least for the time being. But there are more showers and storms west. We anticipate some of those to start to move in. Here's one area of rain that we've got going on from about Cloverdale, stretching down through Owen County near the Spencer area. This is moving off to the east. Behind that, it dries out for a little while, but you got some more showers down around the Robinson area, stretching back over towards Effingham. A little heavier cell here south of the Effingham area. Overall, though, look off to the west of this area. Pretty good line of showers and some thunderstorms. None of these are severe, but some of them will produce some heavy rain as they move through the area. The odds of severe weather tonight, it's what we call marginal risk. Can't rule out a couple stronger storms could pop up. We don't anticipate widespread severe weather with this kind of a setup. Over the next 48 hours, basically off and on, scattered showers and thunderstorms will be around, not a complete washout. However, once we get into Thursday, and I talked about that low pressure out to the west, well, once it starts to move in, as we get into Thursday, you start to see a bit more widespread coverage of the rain. See how that is on Thursday? And then probably into Friday as well. So the rain chances are going to be with us. Watch the wind coming in from the west right now. By late Wednesday and Thursday, the winds will change around, and you can almost see right here. See this little spin? That's the area of low pressure moving up across the area, increasing the rain chances for Thursday and into Friday. So there's the low on Friday moving over the area. I think we'll get a break from the rain on Saturday as it presses on through. High pressure to the north is going to try to move in, and it's going to try to dry things out, it looks like, by the first part of next week. And we're probably going to want some dry weather by then because there's quite a bit of rain in the forecast. This is the model run for the Terre Haute area. You can see one model, the second model, and here's the average. So about 3.5 inches in the Terre Haute area, and that kind of goes along with our map here. Southern areas over the next week, 2.5 to 3 inches. Much of our viewing area, 3 to 3.5, and even some pockets of 4 inches. So get ready. It looks like plenty of rain is going to be on the way, and the warm weather is going to hang around as well. June 25 to 29. Look at this. We stay above normal with the temperatures, but we also stay above normal with precipitation as we wrap up the month. So here's the way the forecast looks for tonight. Then scattered showers and some thunderstorms. It'll be warm and muggy. 71 for the low. During the day tomorrow, not as hot, but scattered showers and storms will be around, a high of 86, and that chance of rain will stay with us as we wrap up the week. Not as hot though. Highs only in the upper 70s. Looks like a little break from the rain on Saturday. Overall, not a bad weekend with highs running in the lower 80s. That's your forecast. Now we're going to head over to Grant.
Looks